आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question, there is one large vertical non-conducting plane surface with uniformly distributed charge. A pendulum bob is suspended through an insulating string from a point on this non-conducting surface. The length of the string is L and the mass of the bob is M. The charge carried by the pendulum bob is Q. It is found that in state of equilibrium, the string of the pendulum makes 60-degree angle. The angle with vertical. What will be the charge per unit area on the surface? This is our first part that we have to find. Also calculate tension developed in the string. This is the second part. Okay, so we have been given theta equals 60 degree, that is the angle made by the string in equilibrium with the wall, and we will assume sigma equal to charge density. Okay, so there will be two forces acting on the pendulum, three forces actually: the electrical field force QE, the gravitation force mg, and the tension T. So we will break the tensional force into two components, vertical and horizontal, and then we will equate them equal to their opposite force. So T cos theta will be equal to mg, and T sin theta will be equal to QE. Okay, so we know that electric field due to the plane sheet is equals to E equals to होगा sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Now we will divide these two equation to find sigma. So let us divide second equation by first, then we will get tan theta equals to QE by mg. Okay, so mg tan theta will be equals to E. Now we will put E in this, and that will be sigma over 2 epsilon equals to mg tan theta over Q. So from this we will get sigma equals to mg 2 times mg epsilon naught tan theta over Q. We will put the value of theta. So tan 60 degree is √3. So we will get the answer over Q. So this is our answer to first part. Now for the second part, we can use any of the two equations that we wrote above. Let us say we will use our first equation, then T cos theta equals mg. We will put the value of theta here. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So T upon 2 equals mg. So we will get T equals to 2 mg. This is our answer for the second part. Thank you guys.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।